The internet has revolutionized our lives. We bank online, shop online, and connect with loved ones online. This digital convenience, however, comes at a price. Cybercrime is skyrocketing. In 2023 alone, losses from cybercrime exceeded $8.4 billion. This alarming statistic highlights the importance of protecting our digital lives. We lock our doors and windows to protect our physical possessions. We need to do the same for our digital assets. Homeowners insurance protects our physical homes and belongings. It covers losses from fire, theft, and natural disasters. But what about our digital lives? What happens when a hacker steals our identity or holds our data hostage? Traditional homeowners insurance often falls short in these situations. It's like building a fortress around your house, but leaving the front door wide open. Cyber threats operate in a different realm, requiring a different kind of protection. Cybersecurity and identity. Theft coverage is designed to fill the gaps in traditional insurance. These specialized policies offer a safety net for the digital age. They provide financial and emotional support in the event of a cyber attack or identity theft. Just like traditional insurance, these coverages offer peace of mind. Knowing you have this protection allows you to navigate the digital world with greater confidence. How so? These coverages protect you. In today's digital age, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. With the increasing number of cyber threats, it's crucial to understand how various coverages can protect you from potential financial and personal losses. Cybersecurity coverage helps you recover from the financial impact of cyber attacks. Imagine waking up one day to find that your computer has been hacked and all your sensitive data has been compromised. The financial repercussions can be devastating, but with the right coverage, you can mitigate these losses. This can include data recovery, which is essential in restoring your valuable information. Data recovery services can be expensive, but with cybersecurity coverage, these costs are often covered, ensuring that you can get back on track without a significant financial burden. Recovering lost or corrupted data after a cyber attack is a critical aspect of cybersecurity coverage. Whether it's personal photos, important documents, or business files, having the ability to recover this data can save you from potential heartache and financial strain. Cyber extortion, such as ransomware attacks, is another area where cybersecurity coverage proves invaluable. Ransomware can lock you out of your own system, demanding payment to regain access. With the right coverage, you can respond to and recover from these attacks without succumbing to the demands of cyber criminals. Legal expenses can also be a significant concern following a cyber attack. Covering legal fees associated with a cybercrime ensures that you have the necessary legal support to navigate the aftermath of an attack. This can include consultations, court fees, and other related expenses. Identity theft coverage helps you recover your identity and finances if you become a victim of identity theft. Identity theft can have long-lasting effects on your financial health. But with the right coverage, you can take steps to restore your identity and secure your finances. This can include credit monitoring, which is crucial in detecting any suspicious activity on your accounts. Regular monitoring can help you catch potential issues early, preventing further damage to your credit score and financial standing. Monitoring your credit reports for suspicious activity is a proactive measure that can save you from significant financial loss. By keeping a close eye on your credit reports, you can quickly identify and address any unauthorized transactions or changes. Identity restoration is another critical component of identity theft coverage. Working with credit bureaus to repair your credit can be a complex and time-consuming process, but with the right support, you can navigate this process more efficiently and effectively. Reimbursing you for lost wages if you need time off work to deal with identity theft is an often overlooked benefit of identity theft coverage. Dealing with the aftermath of identity theft can be time-consuming, and having coverage that compensates for lost income can provide much-needed financial relief during a stressful time. In conclusion, understanding and utilizing these coverages can provide peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. By protecting yourself against cyber threats and identity theft, You can focus on what truly matters without the constant worry of potential financial and personal losses. Take the necessary steps to safeguard your digital life and ensure that you have the right coverages in place. Protect yourself today and secure your future. Here is a story of digital distress and relief. Sarah, a young professional, became a victim of identity theft. She had always been careful with her personal information, but one day, she noticed some unusual activity on her bank statements. A hacker stole her social security number and opened credit cards in her name. Sarah was devastated. She couldn't believe this was happening to her. The hacker had managed to bypass all the security measures she had in place. She spent months trying to clear her name and repair her credit. Every day was a new challenge, filled with phone calls to banks, credit card companies, and credit bureaus. She had to provide endless documentation to prove her identity and that she was not responsible for the fraudulent charges. The emotional toll was immense. Sarah felt a constant sense of anxiety and helplessness. She couldn't sleep, and her work performance suffered. The stress was overwhelming, and she felt isolated, as if no one could truly understand what she was going through. Fortunately, Sarah had identity theft coverage. This was a lifeline for her. She had signed up for this coverage a few years ago, never thinking she would actually need it. But now, it was her saving grace. This coverage provided her with the financial and emotional support she needed to overcome this ordeal. She was assigned a dedicated case manager who guided her through the entire process. Her friends and family also rallied around her, offering their support and encouragement. It covered the costs of credit monitoring, identity restoration services, and lost wages. The credit monitoring service alerted her to any new suspicious activity, and the identity restoration services helped her reclaim her identity. The coverage also compensated her for the time she had to take off work to deal with the situation. Most importantly, it gave her peace of mind knowing she had help during a stressful time. Sarah could finally breathe a sigh of relief. She knew that she was not alone in this fight and that she had the resources and support to get through it. This experience taught her the importance of being prepared and having the right protections in place. Now, she is more vigilant than ever about her personal information and encourages others to take steps to protect themselves from identity theft. Secure your digital life today. In today's interconnected world, our lives are more digital than ever before. From online banking to social media, our personal and professional activities are deeply intertwined with the internet. The digital world is full of conveniences and opportunities. We can connect with loved ones across the globe, work remotely, and access information at our fingertips. However, with these conveniences come significant risks that we must be aware of and prepared for. But it's also full of risks. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, seeking to exploit vulnerabilities in our digital lives. From phishing scams to ransomware attacks, the threats are real and can have devastating consequences. Protect yourself and your loved ones with cybersecurity and identity theft coverage. These coverages are designed to provide a robust defense against the myriad of threats that exist online. They offer not just financial protection, but also peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net in place. These coverages provide a safety net for the digital age, offering financial and emotional support in the event of a cyber attack or identity theft. Imagine the relief of knowing that if your personal information is compromised, you have experts ready to assist you in recovering and securing your identity. Don't wait until it's too late. The best time to secure your digital life is now. Cyber threats are not a matter of if, but when. Being proactive can save you from the stress and financial burden that comes with dealing with cyber incidents after they occur. Talk to your insurance agent today about adding these essential coverages to your policy. They can guide you through the options available and help you choose the coverage that best fits your needs. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your digital security. Secure your digital life and navigate the online world with confidence. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of the digital age without the constant worry of cyber threats. Embrace the digital world, but do so with the assurance that you are protected. Please like the video and subscribe for more insurance coverage information.